Pablo from SB19 faced silence, doubt, and rejection. He poured his heart into music, but people mocked his dreams. Pablo wrote, he trained, he led, and he held his group together when things got tough. When SB19 debuted, hate comments flooded in. He stayed focused. His lyrics, raw and honest. His leadership, unshakable.
I'm always amazed by the moon. Kasi di ba, yung Born, nangihiram lang naman siya ng light sa araw. Pero it does its job well. Para sa akin, you don't have to be all great. You don't always have to be great para makagawa ng meaningful things.
Galing.
You just have to accept yourself and do what you can do. Strive to be better day by day. Gawin mo lang yung kung ano makaya mo. And in time, mare-recognize ng people, ng mga tao, kung ano yung meaning ng ginagawa mo.
When the world ignores you, it's not the end. It's just the beginning of your moment.